Today my topic is privatization of the universities. So why this concept is developing in this 21st century in the context of the India. So in the Western countries we have seen that there are very less public institutions in the education sector. Most of the institutions in the education are private. So India is also focusing on the privatization of the universities. So the positives of this first is it will give the more capacity building for the educational institutions. Like in the government institutions, we can see that there are no proper infrastructures and no technological advancements in this 21st century, where in the Western nations they are AI driven computers and machines, and many things are present in the school level education only. But when it comes to India, the condition of the government schools is not good, so that this privatization of the schools will boost the capacity building of the school. Second one is it will mark the skill development according to the new education policy and the new infrastructure and the new technologies of the modern era, like the AI driven teachings and the projectors and proper labs for the scientific for the science backed subjects. So these kind of things will improve when privatization universities will did. And the third point is
कॉल करता हूँ.
when universities get privatized, so a kind of competition will also occur within the universities to provide more opportunities and more facilities to the students to get more students admission. And when it comes to the cons, privatization of the universities will lead to commercialization of the education system in India. We all know that most of the
Last
Indian
30 seconds.
students are coming from the middle class families, so they cannot afford the high level fees which are asked by these private institutions. And the second one is when this commercialization will happen, the uh, the transparency in the education system and the responsibility which was earlier by the public institutions will not be there, and it will lead to